What's the key to helping newborn babies and young children with medical conditions such as seizures, birth defects, or delayed development get the best medical care, the newest treatments, or to helping families of a child with a rare disease anticipate the path of their child's condition? The key is making a precise genetic diagnosis. Millions of children are born each year with rare genetic conditions caused by changes or mutations somewhere in their DNA or the string of four letters, A, C, T, and G, that makes up their genetic code. Making a precise genetic diagnosis means finding these DNA changes. But many children with rare genetic conditions never get DNA testing, or are offered testing that only finds some types of changes. Even using all of the best commonly available tests, a mutation is found in under half of these children, so most don't get a precise genetic diagnosis. Even when a precise genetic diagnosis is made, it is often after years of testing and doctor's visits. This can be expensive and cause substantial delays in getting a child the best possible treatment. The fastest way to make a precise genetic diagnosis is to test the entire collection of DNA, or genome, of a child, and do it as soon as they are suspected of having a genetic condition, before they have seen a specialist, or maybe before they have even seen a doctor. This can inform families on expectations as their child grows, the kinds of doctors to see, and treatments to use or avoid. But how? The best way to test the genome is by reading or sequencing every letter in DNA, a process called whole genome sequencing. SeqFirst offers free whole genome sequencing to families as soon as their baby is suspected of having a genetic condition or their child is suspected of having a developmental disability. This means the best test for making a precise genetic diagnosis is done first, before other testing. How does it work? After enrolling in SeqFirst, blood samples are collected from each parent and their child, and DNA is sent to a lab for whole genome sequencing. Possible results include finding a change in the genome that explains the child's condition, a precise genetic diagnosis, finding a change that may or may not explain the child's condition, or no change that explains the child's condition, a negative result. Families enrolled in SeqFirst also complete surveys about their child's development, health, and medical visits. This informs researchers on the impact whole genome sequencing had on the child and family. Widespread whole genome sequencing of children as soon as a genetic condition is suspected will transform how kids with rare diseases are diagnosed. This will help families and doctors make shared, informed decisions about care and speed up new treatment discoveries that help them lead better lives. Imagine a world where every child with a rare condition gets a precise genetic diagnosis, is diagnosed quickly, and benefits from the best treatments available. The path to this future is testing quickly with whole genome sequencing. Visit us at SeqFirst.org to learn more.